If you want to change the DPI settings on Xiaomi 17, then we have two main ways that allow you to do so. The first option is to go to Settings, scroll down in here and open Additional Settings. Then you want to proceed to Accessibility and then choose Vision. In here we can find the display size, which allows you to adjust the DPI quite a bit. We have three options in total: extra small, small, and large. Of course, once you choose your display size, you need to tap on this check in the upper right corner in order to apply the change. But besides that, if you want to be a little bit more precise, or if you want to adjust it even more, if you wish to be able to enter your own, for example, size or something like that, then what you can do is you can go back to Settings, and then we're gonna go to About Phone. In here, you want to keep tapping on the OS version until you need to enter your screen lock password, and then you will see a message that you are now a developer. So we're gonna go back to Settings, scroll down, and once again go to Additional Settings. This time we're gonna scroll down in here and go to Developer Options. Now in the Developer Options, we need to scroll down until we find the Drawing section over here, and then here we can find the smallest width option. Now this value decides how big everything is on the screen. So if we provide a smaller number, everything will be bigger. So let's say if I type 300, then I believe the limit is actually 320. We cannot put a lower number than that. Yeah, there we go. But as you can see, everything became much bigger. And if I want to make it something really, really small, I mean, not something, the whole UI on this screen, then I can provide a bigger number, like let's say 600. And there we go. As you can see now, we have extra small screen on our phone. Keep in mind that you should be careful with these values. If you provide like a really, really high value, it might be really difficult to revert this change simply because it also affects the keyboard and so on and so forth. So avoid using really huge numbers. And I believe the default value is 375. We can press OK in order to revert it, but also what you can do is you can go back to the display size settings and just choose your size again, and that should solve the issue as well. If it didn't happen, then you might need to switch to a different value, submit a different size in the display size settings, and then revert to the original size that you wanted to use. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.